Welcome to Valor Ridge in West Mobile, Alabama. This new gold fortified community is just off of Schillinger Road. You have a nice sized pantry, and the laundry room is just off of the kitchen and the garage. Beautiful granite countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Don't forget, anytime you visit a new construction community, make sure you let them know you're working with Frankie Wink. You deserve a buyer's agent working for your best interests. The best part is the builder pays my compensation. You get the best of both worlds. I know what you're thinking. Will you get a better deal if you don't use a buyer's agent? Absolutely not. New construction homes are priced to sell. The prices have to remain the same for the other homes to appraise for their sales price. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me so I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.